Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totkey. Today in this video I will tell you 8 essential benefits of coconut water during pregnancy. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Consumption of coconut water during pregnancy has a most of benefits than just tasting good. Experts at the Coconut Development Board stated that coconut water during pregnancy is considered to be the best source of nutrients, as it is a mixture of chlorides, electrolytes, riboflavin, calcium, magnesium and vitamin C. Benefits of coconut water during pregnancy. Coconut water is a fat-free, healthy, cool and refreshing drink that helps to keep the body hydrated by replenishing natural salts that we lose during perspiration. Coconut water is good during pregnancy both for the health of the mother and the child because of the following listed reasons. Number 1. Levels of fluids and electrolytes. It contains moderate amount of sugar, protein and sodium, thus helps in maintaining the daily levels of fluid and electrolytes required by the body. Number 2. Protect against infection. Evidences have shown that coconut water during pregnancy helps to build up the immunity, improves the function of the kidney, prevents urinary tract infection, as well as helps in lowering high blood pressure levels. Number 3. Less calories. It is low in calories and contains some amount of dietary fibers, healthy omega fatty acids, which are recommended for pregnant women and help them to keep the weight in check. Number 4. Promotes weight loss. Coconut water promotes weight loss as it contains zero cholesterol and helps to increase good cholesterol in the body by slowly eradicating the bad cholesterol, thereby preventing the accumulation of excess fat cells and keeps the body hydrated all time. Number 5. Improves digestion. It helps in improving the process of digestion, strengthens the digestive tract, prevents constipation, maintains and regulates the pH levels of the body, thus in turn improves the metabolism and detoxifies the body. As a natural acid neutralizer, coconut water also soothes and prevents heartburn during pregnancy. Number 6. Boosts the immune system. Coconut water rich in essential vitamins, minerals and antioxidants that helps boost the immune system, thereby protects the mother and the child from diseases. The lauric acid is responsible for the production of disease-fighting acid called monolarin, prevents illness like flu and HIV among others. Number 7. Exercise drink. Coconut water is also suggested as a great exercise drink for the expecting mothers who are advised to stay physically healthy and fit to perform light workout. Number 8. Combat morning sickness. Also consuming coconut water in the first trimester helps in tackling morning sickness and relieves fatigue. Few recommendation. Intake of coconut water during pregnancy is highly recommended. There are most of benefits of drinking coconut water, but below are two important things to keep in mind. One should always remember that moderation is key. Clean, filtered water should always be the top priority. One should not intake coconut water as a constant substitution of pure mineral water and other drinks. Number 2. It is advisable to drink coconut water as soon as the coconut is kept when it is fresh and rich in nutrients. However, some people believe that coconut water during pregnancy can fulfill all kinds of nutritional requirements of a pregnant mother, but it's certainly not true as there is no single food item that could contain all type of essential nutrients. A pregnant woman should intake a whole combination of fruits, vegetables and meat items containing essential nutrients in adequate amount. I will give you the link of 5 best coconut water in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.